Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you guys how to link WhatsApp on your Wordpress website. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and you hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to log in into your Wordpress website, after which you go to plugins. After that you click on add new. So I will recommend you should use this plugin called Chaty. After that you simply click on install now. Once installation is complete, you simply activate it. So after that you simply need to choose the name. So I'm going to insert a name for my WhatsApp. After that I need to insert the telephone number. So I'll insert. After that you choose your country. Once you're done with that, you simply need to click on this button here on. So this is it. After that, once you're done with all of that, you simply scroll down and click on save. After that you go back to your Wordpress website and you click on the home page. So this is your WhatsApp already installed on your Wordpress website.